Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your nationwide financial account for fast insurance and finance. Whether you're accessing your account for the first time or simply need a refresher, we've got you covered. 1. Open your browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth login experience. 2. Navigate to the Nationwide Financial website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.nationwide.com. Press Enter to visit the site. Once on the home page, look for the Login option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. 3. Access the login page. Click on the Login button. This will redirect you to the login page where you'll enter your account credentials. 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Carefully input your username in the first field and your password in the second field. Ensure that there are no typos or errors. 5. Select Remember Me, optional. If you're using a personal device and wish to save your login information for future sessions, check the Remember Me box. This will allow you to bypass the login process in the future. 6. Click on Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. This will attempt to log you into your nationwide financial account. 7. Handle any issues. If you encounter any issues logging in, such as forgetting your password, click the Forget Username or Password link located below the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. 8. Dashboard access. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard, where you can manage your insurance policies, view financial products, and access additional features. Thank you for watching our guide on how to log in to Nationwide Financial for fast insurance and finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.